Hello everyone, this is CRC Consultant channel. Today I am Ali here with another video, and in this video I will show to my viewers and subscribers. Today I am vlogging in Dubai, and this is a global village in Dubai 2023, and this is a month of December, and I am coming with my friends here, and in this video I will show my viewers and subscribers, because mostly person they are also living in Dubai, they don't know what is the inside of global village, and how we can go, and what is the ticket for global village. And in this fully video I will giving information to my viewers and subscribers. Now we are entering the global village, and first I pay in. If you see, this is the 25 dirham ticket per person. If this is the entry fees if you enter in global village, and this is 25 dirham. And in this video I will giving information to my viewers and subscribers, the mostly person they want to visit global village, and this is the entering view. And guys, also they have the global village mean is the in the one place you can see the whole world. Okay, in like India, Pakistan, Chinese, Philippines, America, like Europe, all state, and all the whole world in this is the global village. And like Syria, Egypt, all countries. Now you see, this is a Syria, and we are now in the Syria, and this is a musician from Syria. They are the just show the culture of the Syria, and they are just singing now, and the all Syrians they are here, and I am also here making a video for these singers. And this is Syria, and guys, you see, this is also is like Joker, and you can see if you enter in global village, and you can see. And guys, the thing is that if you are living with your family, and I just prefer to my viewers and subscribers, believe me, this is the very good place for family and for friends also. You know, I was go with my friends, and it's amazing. I have very good experience. And you can see here is this is a very big hall. Okay, you can, this is a stage, and you can see a lot of people here, and here is also program is going on. And also I will inform my viewers and subscribers, the inside the global village, the all things is very expensive. And for example, if you are taking one teacup from outside, this is a 1 dirham, and if you get from global village, this is a 5 dirham. Okay, the 4 dirham difference between one cup of tea, and the all things is very expensive. And I just inform my viewers and subscribers, if you want to come global village, and you should be come with your family. And also I just inform my viewers, and so if you want to bring your foods, you can bring from the outside, like Lay's, Pepsi, like things. If you want to cook your food, you can also bring, because guys, also the all types of you see, this is also instrument also. There are 2 persons sitting, and it's too much enjoying here. And also making video, they are sitting in we are saying our language Galil. And this is also, you can see these 2 children, they are sitting in here, and now they're coming up. And if you want to make video, they can also make your video, and the people also watching you in the screen. You see, this is going to very high, you know, the global village, and this is very dangerous. And I am also doing this one, and in this video I will show my viewers and subscribers. This is the ticket for 150 dirham, and if you want to make video, they will you just pay 150 dirham, and they will give you one card, and the maybe have inside the point system. They will make if you have 280 point, they will make for like a 200 point for the this one, and the 40 dirham for they are making your video. They will give you your video with the pen drive. And now this is coming here. As you see, the back side have very big screen. This is the guys. Now I'm in Japan, and the guys is tracking to Japan. And you see, this is the band. The band is coming now. Believe me, we are enjoying too much. And this is a family place. And if anyone want to come in Global Village, now in Dubai have Global Village is open now. And if anyone want to enjoy with family, I just prefer to my viewers and subscribers, they will come and they will enjoy. And but the thing only, everything is very good, but the thing is that only is expensive. Okay guys, I hope everyone like this video and subscribe our channel CRC Consultant.